Israel today. That's the country that you see in this picture. And Miss Strohmeyer did not, well, first you can't see Miss Strohmeyer because I could not figure out how to show you this and also show you Miss Strohmeyer. And this is actually from Miss Smith, the third grade teacher, but she didn't share her video with me, so I am making a video to share with you. And we are going to learn about Israel and what holiday they celebrate in Israel. So yesterday we learned about Germany, and we know that in Germany they also celebrate Christmas. But today, Israel is going to be a little bit different. So first I want to show you a little bit about Israel. So this is what Israel looks like. This is a part of their city. And this is what the Israeli flag looks like. So it's blue and white, and then it has that star and triangle in the middle. And people say hello in Israel just like this.
Shalom. Shalom.
They say hello by saying shalom. Israel is a country that is far away, kind of just like how far away Germany was yesterday. And it is actually on the continent of Asia. So yesterday Germany was on the continent of Europe, and today Israel is on the continent of Asia. And again, the only way to get there is to either take a boat or, well, not a boat, a ship. You would have to take a cruise ship all the way over to Israel, or you would have to fly. There's no way to drive over to Israel. People in Israel speak Hebrew, so that's what you heard them saying shalom. That is a different language, and it's a language that's really hard to pronounce too. They celebrate a Jewish holiday called Hanukkah. Hanukkah is not the same as Christmas, and it is a holiday that is very specific to the Jewish people in Israel. And then you can see the flag down here again. So Hanukkah is a holiday that is celebrated in Israel, and it's also celebrated in different parts of the world because there are Jewish people that live all over the world, but Jewish people originated from Israel. Hanukkah also can be called the Festival of Lights, and it takes place over 8 days and nights. So Christmas for us is just one day, and Hanukkah is actually 8 days for the Jewish people. And it is in both November and December. So Christmas for us is just in December, and Hanukkah is in November and December for the Jewish people. Now, during Hanukkah, some children receive presents for the 8 days of Hanukkah, so each day they receive a present. And other children can receive gelt, which are golden chocolate coins. That's what you see here in this picture. Gelt are golden chocolate coins, and I really wish I could have some gelt. I would love some golden chocolate coins. And then you also see a dreidel in this picture. Dreidel is a very popular game that the Jewish people play during this time, and it's a kind of a spinning top, and it has 4 sides on it. So you see one side right here, 1, 2, and then on the bottom, and then on this side, and you spin it. Something that is also very special and important for Hanukkah, just kind of like how we have, and the people in Germany have the tradition of making a tree or putting a tree up, their important tradition is to light the menorah. And this, in this picture, is a menorah. There was also a menorah here. Now this is just a wooden one that you wouldn't be able to light. But a menorah has 8 candles. Actually, it has 9 candles. It has 8 candles right here for each day. And then the 9th candle is in the middle, and this one is actually used to light all of the other ones. And each 8 of the 8 candles, the blue candles that you see, represents a day of Hanukkah. And every night of Hanukkah, a new candle is lit, and presents are given, or the gelt, the chocolate coins, are given each night. And here's a little bit more information about dreidels. So you see all these different types of dreidels in these pictures. And dreidel is a game played during Hanukkah. And each side of the dreidel has a letter that has a special significance to the Hebrew religion. So they actually can read these signs, and these signs tell them specific things. So the game is played with more gelt, with the chocolate coins, and the player spins the dreidel, and whichever letter faces up, it tells them what to do. And whoever ends up with the most gelt once the pot is empty wins. We learned about Germany and had lots of activities and things to do. You guys have access to this website, and on this website you actually see Miss Smith down here, and everything you can click on. There are lots of books about Hanukkah and Israel. There are videos and other things for you to explore over here on this side. There are also some things up here to click on, so make sure you explore, make sure you find something to do to learn a little bit more about Israel, and you also have the materials to make your own dreidel like the one up here. So in your Tuesday packet you have a page to fill out all of the information that you learned about Israel, and then you also have a couple of pages to make your own dreidel. I hope you have so much fun, and I can't wait to see all of the awesome things that you guys learn about Israel. If you need any help filling out your paper, go back and start this video over and you can listen to it again, and that way you have all of the information you need. You need to be able to tell me about the flag. You need to be able to tell me what gelt is. Remember gelt. You need to be able to tell me one fact that you learned. So I can't wait to see all of the things that you learned. I can't wait for you to explore this page just like you did yesterday with Germany, and have so much fun, friends.